There's a myth around qualification. It's a long, super costly, inefficient process of qualifying a material so that a printer can be ready to print a part. With ASTRO, our value proposition is to shrink this time, make it more cost efficient, and that's done by our trifecta superpower of Dyndrite, Mimo Technik, and ASTRO Test Lab.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Cohen, and I'm the CEO of Mimo Technik.
My name is Hamna Khan, and I'm the COO at Mimo Technik and the CEO at ASTRO Test Lab.
Mimo Technik is a different company from traditional AM. We started with a passion for design and manufacturing. Those founding threads are still present today in everything we do. Our passion for motorsports and aviation. We've grown and matured to working with the OEM primes.
Boeing, Northrop, Lockheed, Honeywell, Raytheon. Additionally, we work with powder manufacturers that are supporting the AM industry to help characterize their powder and qualify it so that they can provide for those aerospace primes. We open the doors for all of these new space companies and other organizations that are beginning to integrate additive into their market.
One of the key benefits of the Dyndrite toolpath engine is the ability to create new toolpaths that were never possible before. Enables us to make parts with less support structures via more overhang tolerance. So we can build parts that we couldn't possibly dream of before. The idea of design for additive, the paradigm's changed. We can include closer to net shape parts that have less support structure, less machine stock. That's one of the key benefits of integrating Dyndrite in our process workflow. ASTRO is this amazing partnership between Mimo Technik and ASTRO Test Labs.
The value proposition of the ASTRO process is quick turn, traceable, efficient qualification of materials to roll them out for creating production hardware. It is a superpower trifecta between Dyndrite, ASTRO, and Mimo Technik.
Dyndrite fits into our ASTRO process by allowing automation of data collection. You prepare a component, a layout, a print. In Dyndrite, you also can generate a real-time report. That report is our living document, like almost as your digital thread that shows the component, the layout, the position of the items, and naming schema of your tensile and testing specimens. And that's fed directly to our test lab, which their equipment will feed into those same reports and formats. And that's how we get to close that loop with our customers. So before we even ship a part, or we have to compile the end item data, we know exactly in real time how that machine, that process, that part is performing so we can react and inform our customers.
If you're interested in bringing your productivity on the machines to the max, Dyndrite is a requirement, not an option.
Dyndrite is the future of production for the AM industry.